Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super exciting and genuinely game-changing tutorial for you. We're talking about how you can use your Photoshop PSD files directly inside Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to merge the strengths of both platforms to make stunning, original designs without all the usual hassle. Whether you're new to design tools or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, this simple trick is going to open up a whole new creative world for you. So let's jump straight in. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up Canva. You can do this by heading to Canva.com on your favorite browser. If you haven't logged in already, just sign in with your account. If you're brand new to Canva, don't worry, the interface is super user-friendly and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Think of Canva as your digital artboard, ready and waiting for whatever you want to create. Once you're on Canva's homepage, take a look at the navigation pane on the side or at the top. Depending on updates and what you're using, things can look slightly different, but you're looking for the section called Projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. This is where Canva lets you organize all of your different designs, assets, and uploads, kind of like having separate folders for your different creative ideas. Now comes the really cool part. If you've been designing in Photoshop, you probably have files saved on your computer. Traditionally, these files needed special tools or plugins to be viewed or edited outside of Photoshop, which made it tough to switch between platforms or collaborate with others who might not have Photoshop. But Canva has made things refreshingly simple. Here, what you do, find the PSD file you want to use, maybe it's a logo, a flyer, or some cool artwork you've been working on. Then simply drag and drop that file directly into the Projects tab in Canva. Yes, that's literally it. Just click and hold your file, move it over to the Canva project area and release. You'll see Canva automatically upload your file and process it. This part may take a few moments depending on your internet connection and how large the PSD file is, so don't worry if you see a little progress bar or have to wait a second. Once it's uploaded, Canva will convert your Photoshop file so that you can use its different elements right in Canva's editor, which is amazing. Now you can tweak your designs, add Canva's handy templates, text, or even fun animations, all on top of your Photoshop artwork. What's really powerful here is that this method gives you the best of both worlds. You get Photoshop's in-depth editing and layer capabilities, and then Canva's super easy collaborative tools for finishing touches, sharing, or even quick team edits. Say goodbye to exporting endless image files back and forth. If you're collaborating with someone who isn't familiar with Photoshop or just want a faster design experience, this upload feature can save you tons of time and headaches. And there you have it, that's really all it takes to combine the creative forces of Photoshop and Canva. Now you can create more original and eye-catching designs, faster and easier than ever before. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button, it really helps support the channel. Have any questions or want to share your own Canva Photoshop workflow tips? Drop a comment down below, I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials and creative hacks just like this one. See you next time.